problems on ages. So in this type of questions, the concept is one variable linear equations. So one variable in the form of two variables like x and y, we take only single variable, and that is the linear equations. So when you come to this linear equation, the highest power is 1. Next we will see quadratic shortcut. So this is a one variable linear equation. So straight we can apply the concept in this, no need of using any separate formulas. If you observe the question, age of the father is twice that of the son at present. After 5 years, sum of their ages will be 100. What is the present age of the father? So which question they are asking to us to find, that we can take some variable. So let it be x. Okay, what we have to find out, that we can take it as x. So let present age of the father. So that only can take a single variable. So let present age of father, let it be x. Then based on this, we can frame the linear equation according to this question. So that is one rule we apply. Age of the father is twice that of the son. So age of the father is twice. That means if the father age is x, then son age is x divided by 2. Then present age of the son is x divided by 2, because father age is twice, is the double. That means is half. So this way. After 5 years, sum of their ages will be 100. After 5 years means for the both present ages we have to add the 5. Now we can frame the linear equation. After writing the given data, according to statement, frame the linear equation. So x plus 5. After 5 years, present age of the father is x, right? So after 5 years means his age should be added with 5. And son age is x by 2. For him also you need to add 5. After 5 years, the sum, so addition of their ages will be 100. So if it is 100, then we can find the x value from this. That is only present age of the father. Okay, just you can frame x plus x by 2. Variables you can add. X plus x by 2 plus 5 is 10 is equals to 100. Okay, just taking the terms one side. X plus x by 2, 100 minus 10. This right side is 90, this side is LCM, x by 1. So 2x minus x. So 3x divided by 2. Then x is equals to 90 into transposing. 3 by 2 take the other side, 2 by 3. You can simplify this now. So 3 ones are 330. 30 into 2 is 60. So x value we got 60. That is a single variable. What I took the present age of the father. So present age of the father is 60 years. Okay, here is in terms of one variable, but there is a linear equation based of questions. Straight away frame the single linear equation, then eliminating means transposing one side to other side, x variable one side, numbers other side, you transpose and you can find the answer. Similar problems on ages. Let us see how the quadratic equation rule we can apply. That is a one variable in quadratic equations.